Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. And I already know you've seen me with this wig, and I'm pretty sure you want to know how I got this right. I'm gonna let you in on the secrets behind this trending wig, and you're not gonna believe it when I tell you. So if you want to know how easy this install was, stick around and watch. Your girl was ready for Saturday, but my hair was looking dead wrong. I mean, fine girl, good makeup, no wig. Let's fix that situation. This wig is from Alipearl hair, and believe it or not, it is already like pre-laced, everything pre-styled. Came with these gorgeous HD cap wigs. They gave me 2 of those, an edge comb, and these tapes that I'm going to show you how to use. So convenient. An Alipearl melting band, some eyelashes. I love these, they're so nice and wispy. And then they gave me this extra long Alipearl silk scarf, also for melting your lace. And those are the goodies that came with the wig. But now for the star of the show, the actual wig. So here's the secret. This hair came braided. It is a 24-inch ready go pre-style straight 13x4 lace front wig, and we're going to be doing the installation completely glueless. You can see that lace, you guys. Like, look at that. My goodness, the lace is super thin, but also them edges have been done to perfection. It's been plucked, so they put this polyfoam board in there to keep the shape, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I love that the lace is pre-bleached, and that means less work for me. To melt the lace in better, I'm going to go in with some contour powder. You guys would already know that's my trick. We put the wig on, and this is what it looks like. If you're interested in knowing these wigs, these pre-cut wigs, these glueless wigs, they're going to ask you for a cap size. I am in the cap size medium, and these wigs literally fit me like they were made on my head. That means my head is about between 21 inch and 22.5 inches in circumference. That's how I know I am a medium cap size. But guys, look at this wig. Oh my gosh, it's so different, but I feel like such a baddie, and I haven't even done the work. Like, I look like a very baddie. Oh my gosh, I cannot stop running my fingers through this hair, you guys, because it is so soft. Now I'm going to show you how to use these adhesive melting strips. It was my first time, so it was kind of hard. I had to take my wig off and put the strip on. Then you pull the hair over and apply some pressure. Then the wig is stuck. But to make sure it sticks, I went on with the melting band, pulled it on super tight to make sure that that lace lays, and then I was going to pull it off a little bit later, but for now I'm going to brush through the hair. It is so soft. Came jet black, you guys. Alipearl did the things on this hair. My goodness, I mean, look at that body, you know, like the hair is just flowing. My gosh. And that is what it looked like when the melting band came off. The lace was stuck, like there was no lifting lace or anything like that. This wig does have baby hairs. You guys would know that I am not experienced in baby hairs, but I was going in with some foam wrap mousse just to lay them down, kind of slick them down a little bit. I am not a fan of baby hairs, but I had to do what I had to do, and I hope I didn't disappoint. But I felt so cute in this wig. My goodness. Now I understand why all the craze was when I posted this wig on Instagram. So I'm just straightening some of the hair because it got bended in transit. Let's show you some movement. This is how your wig is supposed to move in the wind, ladies. Take note. And yeah, I went ahead and did the edges, then put on a different melting band. I'm going in with some serum just to slick down the hair, give it some sheen and shine. But you can see this was a very quick install for me put it on my head. It looked bomb from the get-go, and I am really impressed. You guys are really making your girls get ready with me so much easier with these pre-style wigs. If you want to get this wig, I'm going to leave all the details for you in the description box down below. You're going to love it, I promise you. The quality, the texture, the style, it's everything, you guys. I mean, what lace, sis? It's just melted. So cute. I love it. Be sure to check out the details in the description box. There are coupon codes as well. Read the description. You will find all those details there and a direct link to the wig. Mine is the 24-inch and it is in the 180 density, I think. But honestly speaking, this hair is incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get ready and messing about in my bathroom. Let me know if I should do more of these type of wig videos in my bathroom, you know, finishing off the get ready with me's. Don't forget to leave me a like, don't forget to subscribe, and please give me a big nice kiss in the comments if you loved this one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.